build up Fitzroy and second Life Market. 2 crews going in.
You need 2 crews, Brooke.
Brooke can do a market.
I don't know if I'm like a market gal.
I think we need
Oh, we'll get Seabow in or something.
yeah, maybe I'll see after. Get the intern.
Get the intern in. Me and Seabow could do second-hand life.
So Stu and Tyler are currently in a meeting with like the OV market guys. So they're doing like our online website kind of thing.
It's super fast. It's really well optimized for e-commerce. So for instance, if we're on menswear, we've got the subcategories sitting at the top there. So it's really easy to navigate between.
How was that team?
Alright. That looks good. It's just the timing because they're putting in that new thing.
It's more just the initial setup with how much products, but it's looking super clean, super fast.
Yeah, at least they said it was very fast.
Did you get to see it or not?
Yeah, got to see it. And it was super quick, which is what we need.
And all the seller pages look really easy to navigate.
It was like an Amazon quick checkout, like that's how quick it was.
And load up like different, if you're buying off multiple sellers on the website.
They sectioned it off. Yeah, they sectioned it off to the seller, which is good. Like checkout.
And when is it going to be ready?
That's the $1 million question. We're still about in the air. Because it's like a new product to even what they're building, so the technology is really new. So
yeah,
we're hoping middle of December still.
Yeah, that's what they said. But
I didn't realise how many coffees I bought.
yeah, I've actually brought away too many
Thanks, mate.
from this place.
Marshmallow.
The hot chocolate, eh?
Nipsey's going up today.
We got scammed.
We got scammed.
Not good.
What are we going to do with these?
I'm going to explain what actually happened.
Do you want to explain it or tell the people, Tyler?
So,
Tyler messed up.
I messed up.
this is Stewie's fault, this one.
I'm 2 down and out.
So pretty much we were on a video call because we're trying out some new suppliers, and when we were on the video call, these were like super nice like Nipseys, but they've sent us completely different ones.
Yeah. Lucky we only ordered 10 because we're just trialing them out with the new supplier, so that was a positive.
But yeah, full fake. Full on fake. They don't even look. They're bloody embroideries together, mate.
Yeah. What are you? I'll put it over the thing.
So when you were like on the video call,
They're all different colours and different styles to this. They were showing us like yellow ones, like brown ones.
like like real ones? Or?
Real ones, yeah, like the full puffers. These aren't even really like puffers. They're thin as hell. They're not bloody, they ain't Nipseys.
Yeah. And then they said they could supply like hundreds to us.
That's red flags.
When it's too good to be true. This is a large.
Fresh.
Perfect. The zip even works. Good,
Gosh.
pretty good for winter.
They don't even fit properly on the shoulders.
It's just because he's too huge, mate.
Yeah,
He's been swimming too much.
Just swim with the boys.
So swimming, me and Tyler.
Too massive, mate.
We'll film that next week.
The swim club.
Swim club.
OB
OB swim club.
Come along. You're all welcome.
Paran swim
Try a
pools.
large on Tyler. Extra
No,
large.
Double extra large.
There's an extra large.
Try it on.
Just to give you guys some sizing.
That is a nice colour though.
indication. Yeah.
Like if it was real, that'd be a cool color.
It's probably like a medium, a max, maybe.
Oh, the boys.
What are we gonna do with these, team? They can't sell them.
I reckon we should.
Take them to the offie.
Yeah.
Rather take them to the office. We could do something with
Could like upcycle them.
Oh yeah, true. I'm not sure about the materials, but
Make them into vests.
vests,
Oh, that'd be cool, eh?
fake vests, fake bags.
Or bags could be good.
Or we could
Just give them away.
give them
Give
away.
them
Or we
away.
could, or we could put them in the Boxing Day sale. When we do our Boxing Day sale, like for like $10 or something.
$10. Deal.
Would you buy them?
No.
But anyway, lesson learned.
Maybe comment below if like
What do you want to see with these?
or if you want one, we'll send one to you.
Yeah. So if you're buying off suppliers, make sure you don't buy too much at one time. So we kind of got
When you
in a
first-
way,
when
we
you
kind of
first-
got lucky.
Not happy.
Just live and learn, you know?
Stew. Good one.
Cross against you got this one. Got
Our main
scammed.
Got scammed.
That should be the thumbnail of the video. Got scammed.
And then us wearing the jackets.
Yeah, that's funny. Comment below,
I
guys.
don't want to see him anymore. Get him away from me.
Get him out of here. Seriously. Get him out of here.
That's a cool t-shirt, Stu.
You like this one?
Sticky fingers. That's all Tyler plays in the store
Sticky.
every day
Found this one.
for the first 3 years of the store being open.
Everyone loves it. Our intro mate is he inspired by The Office. He doesn't even
Have
know
you not
that.
even watched The Office?
Yeah, I love The Office.
No, you.
What a lie is that?
You're such a liar.
I like the Ricky Gervais.
The
That's
UK
probably my
one.
favourite
That's way better than that.
Oh,
Nah.
nah, when you get into it,
The US one?
I didn't really like the American one when I first watched it, but then once you
You're
get
invested
into
in
it,
All of the characters in the like US one though are like kind of good.
yeah,
Where the UK one, it's like mostly Ricky Gervais and that like weird dude, the tall weird dude,
it's funny.
the guy on Afterlife or whatever.
Yeah, Afterlife was good as well. I like that one.
I dragged on a bit.
Bruh.
Man, that's fucking terrible call.
No.
That was like that was
That one
that
out.
was the worst call you've ever made. Right now. Well, we're not filming. What are you doing? Don't get the close up, man.
What? Where are we off to? Videographer Brooke. You mean the clock tower?
The church.
Yeah.
Yeah, the clock tower, and then Lucky Cock,
Yep.
and that's a bar,
Yep.
and then
We're gonna go
Regent
get on the
Street.
pints.
Regent Street. Oh, but they're doing construction.
It's annoying.
We might be able to we'll just see. And then we'll drive past in my car and just drive down and film it. And you'll film from the back seat though.
Get the angles, bro. Nice. Yeah, get that shot. Money shot, bro. Hate's getting filmed, in public.
And I love that.
Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of Behind the Counter where we go through and review our week and what we did. Stu, do you want to go through what's happening with OV Market, with the website development?
Yeah, so we had a meeting with the developers this week, and we've been working on the seller page. So they have a feature option where they can put all their nicest items at the top of their page. Also, the loading speed on the website is super fast, so they've been working on that. So real easy to navigate through the website pages really quickly.
Yeah, so with markets that were up and coming, we're going to all the Fitzroy Sundays up until Christmas, just to promote OV market. We're going to be at Second Life this Sunday as well. So we're going to be doing 2 markets. Brooke, do you want to go through Black Friday sale?
Our Black Friday sale is still on. We are 20% off in-store and online. We also have a deal on the website for like a 2 t-shirt mystery box leading up to Christmas. So check that out if you are online.
Yeah, that's a wrap for Behind the Counter. See you next Tuesday.
See you guys.
Yeah, so our Black Friday sale is still... Sorry.
Black Friday.
I'm really trying. Stop doing weird shit. If I laugh, I'm done.